Hi, welcome to the Christmas episode of Trini Bites. Today we're by Justin's house. We're going to celebrate Christmas at his house. As you can see, we're going to get some duck and some lamb cooking very soon. And it's been years since we got snow for Christmas Day in Canada. You can take a look around and it's beautiful.
Merry Christmas to everyone, and thanks for watching all the videos that we have.
And again, duck, lamb. Justin is going to make bread again. We're going to bake a ham. And we're going to make a pepper pot. Keep tuning in and we'll see everything. Merry Christmas to everyone again. And next time you see me, I'll have a beer in my hand. I got a duck here. This is Muscovy duck. And we have the lamb here. We're going to stew that, some pepper. I have my curry paste. Inside here there is masala, jeera, and curry. Now I'm going to put the meat in. What's a nice lime with my favorite singer Kishore Kumar. Beautiful song.
Alright, so now we're gonna chop in this stew lamb. Add the oil content now.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Stew lamb, stew lamb.
Look at that color. That's the color you're looking for.
Nice brown color.
So everybody here knows let's open their gifts.
Yeah.
And we just take a shot.
You guys still drunk today?
It's drunk and more drunk every day.
I'm just getting home.
Chris, you gotta open your
And Sita is boiling the rice inside. As Justin is walking in there now.
Yeah, we're getting ready to make some bread.
We got the ham here going. She's making a mango chow.
I got a laptop stand. Get,
Say hi, everyone say hi.
Hi.
What's going on? Big and small. Oh, we here? Everybody getting ready?
I didn't know you guys were starting.
So what should we take things like that?
What do we got? What do we got?
Oh, we're just getting rid of the skin and some of the fat off the ham.
Strain the rice.
Yo, Chris, just open that back door a little bit.
I got roll that stew now.
It's already roasted.
So I'm gonna make a mango chow. Just cutting up some garlic. We already put some bandania.
This side, or you want to
And I'm gonna put some salt and black pepper and hot peppers.
After 20 minutes of cooking.
And 6 drink.
Where's the drink, guys?
What do you call out this way?
One of the best beers. Stag. Guess how tall Jeremy is, and you're gonna win a prize.
Put some hot peppers in here. Mix it up. Added some more hot pepper. I'm going to take another taste. So good.
Oh, we got a piece of mango.
What does this show?
What it look like?
Yo.
Nev? Cheers, mate. Oh, yeah.
What's this?
This is the honey glaze, but we still have to put the pineapple juice so it gets runny.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
How are you, Soldier?
Here.
You get new sweater?
Yeah.
You have new sweater.
Everyone drinking.
What's that?
So they don't come blue, boy.
How are you, sir? Cheers. Merry Christmas. We have Sam here. Justin's dad. Cheers. Yeah. So as you can see, the lamb is done. Take a piece, taste it. Normally, the duck will take longer to cook. But the lamb finished before the duck. Nice lamb.
Chris.
So I got 24 new pairs of socks this year.
Justin made pay me. And it's about 40 years I didn't eat that. But now I'm gonna eat, probably take half of it and eat it.
I made it for you, you know.
Yeah, oh, I love that, man. Jeez. And you put coconut and everything in it.
Coconut and pumpkin.
This is some kunapia, rangoli trees.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
What's Christmas without pudding? Nice pudding made by
Sherry.
a very, very good friend of mine's. And it's just like Trinidad pudding. Justin is organizing something there. I don't know what it is, but
So the yeast you got was a little old, so we have to restart, and we got some new yeast on the way.
no, I fry my pudding different. I cut it up in slices like this. And I fry it. Now, normally when I fry pudding, it is break up. But this will be different. When I fry it, I can only fry the sausage. You know, Trini Bites, everything is different in Trini Bites. We do different things. Right? Justin's going to try a special menu next week. And we're going to see how it's going to come out. We just experimented on stuff. Yeah, we have to the grinder. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Look how nice this come out. They pay me. But you know in Canada we are getting no fig leaf I think so. They come out just like Trinidad or Guyana. Beautiful. Really good.
Coconut cornmeal.
Everything in there.
My uncle.
Yeah.
Show the ham.
There we go.
See this piece here? That's so
It's good.
on this.
Let me show you that. And me and my chill and walking.
Alright. Bread and rice.
Well, Justin had finished with the bread. So he's putting it in the oven for how many minutes?
We're gonna do this one for 25.
25 minutes. And we have the ham here already. You have the pepper pot there. Wow, it's really feeling like Christmas. And everyone is here. Say hello everyone, Trini Bites.
Hi.
We got our Trini Bites mask.
Huh? You already know.
What? The iPad?
Merry Christmas.
Came
yeah.
out better than last time.
That looks good.
Sorry. Ham and bread. More meat and more ham than bread. That's a Trini ham and bread.
Oh, beautiful man, beautiful.
Take a taste.
Merry Christmas everybody.
First, my good. For right now.
That's the thing.
Say Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Not New Year coming soon.